After the 7th round is completed, slip stitches to join, and then chain 1 to begin round 8. The pattern is 5 single crochet stitches followed by a single crochet increase for one set. We'll start by making 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. And then place an increase in the following stitches. That's the first set done. Keep repeating the next set. First, single crochet 5. Next, work a single crochet increase. That completes the second set. Now, just repeat the pattern for more times to complete the round. Next, let's begin crocheting round 7. We will be working 42 single crochet stitches with no increases or decreases. You can finish the rest of this round off camera. For round 10, we'll start by crocheting 16 single crochet stitches using the pink yarn. On the final pull through of the 16th SC, drop the pink yarn and pull through with the white yarn to complete the stitch. After switching to the white yarn, continue by single crocheting for stitches. Use the same technique to change back to the pink yarn. On the final pull through of that fourth, single crochet. Continue with the pink yarn and single crochet to stitches. On the second single crochet, change to the white yarn early using the incomplete stitching method. Then continue to single crochet for stitches. On the fourth single crochet, switch back to the pink yarn early, and then crochet the remaining 16 single crochet stitches. For round 11, we'll start by crocheting 15 single crochet stitches using the pink yarn. On the 15th single crochet, change yarn color early. Then, continue to single crochet 5 stitches with the white yarn. On the 5th single crochet, change yarn color early, and then single crochet 2 stitches with the pink yarn. On the second single crochet, switch to the white yarn and continue crocheting 5 single crochet stitches. On the fifth single crochet, switch back to the pink yarn early. Then crochet the remaining 15 single crochet stitches. Rounds 12 and 13 are crocheted using the exact same method. We will only demonstrate round 12. Please crochet round 13 on your own. Use the pink yarn to crochet 14 single crochet stitches. On the 14th single crochet, change to the white yarn. Continue by single crocheting 14 stitches with the white yarn. On the 14th single crochet in white, switch back to the pink yarn, and then single crochet the remaining 14 stitches. Now repeat the same pattern to complete round 13.